Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. In this video I will show you how to enable WordPress application passwords. If application passwords are disabled on your website, follow these steps in this video to enable them easily. Let's get started.